the next section C, dear students. In this long answers questions, they will give 10 questions. You have to write any 5. Each carries 7 marks. So let us have a discussion. The first question. So question number 28. If alpha, beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0, then for any n belongs to capital N, show that alpha power n plus beta power n equal to 2 power n plus 1 into cos of n pi by 3. See here, first given quadratic equation, x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Put that equation number 1. So roots of this quadratic equation, no? So minus b plus or minus. Therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That implies that x is equal to minus b, a is equal to 1. This quadratic equation compare with x square plus bx square plus c. So b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 4. So minus b means minus of minus 2 plus or minus root over b square 4 minus 4 into 1 into 4. So minus 16 divided by 2a, 2 into 1. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus root over minus 12 divided by 2. So minus can be written as here minus 1 is equal to I square. I represents iota. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus root over I square. The 12 can be written as 4 into 3 divided by 2. 4 we can take outside of the root, it will becomes 2. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 into I square we can take outside, I will come, so root 3 divided by 2. So take common 2 and cancel. So 2 into 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. Therefore x is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3. See, after that they are asking to prove this roots plus or minus, we got it now. So one root is alpha. They mentioned that alpha, beta are the roots of the equation. Since alpha comma beta are the roots of equation 1, then alpha is equal to 1 plus I root 3 and beta equal to 1 minus I root 3. So for this procedure they will give 2 marks. So for the rest of the terms are there, no, for this remaining. So after getting the values of alpha and beta, we need to calculate alpha power n plus beta power n. So and alpha value, this polar form we need to write it. Alpha equal to 1 plus I root 3. It is in the form of a plus ib. So to write into the polar form, we need to multiplying and dividing by root of a square plus b square. So root of 1 square plus root 3 whole square is 2. So multiplying and dividing by 2. All of you know about this method. So multiplying and dividing by 2. This can be written as 2 into, we can write in the form of cos theta plus sin theta. So 1 by 2 in terms of cos, we can write it as cos pi by 3, cos 60 degrees, plus root 3 by 2 in terms of sin, I sin pi by 3, So therefore alpha equal to 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. But they are asking alpha power n. So alpha value we got it now. Similarly, before that only you can calculate alpha power n. So power rise to cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole power n. So 2 power n by using de Moivre's theorem, cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole power n can be written as cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3. So this is the value of alpha power n. Similarly, beta also consider same. 1 minus I root 3, that is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 3 minus I into sin pi by 3. Again we need to calculate the value of beta power n. So 2 into cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3 whole power n, which is equal to 2 power n cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. So after getting the values of alpha power n and beta power n, consider LHS. They are asking to prove the result alpha power n plus beta power n is equal to, they are asking to prove the result now. What they are asking to prove, 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 3. That's what we are going to prove. See, alpha power n plus beta power n. Alpha power n value is 2 power n cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus beta power n is 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. So from these two, 2 power n take out common. So the remaining terms cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. So in this bracket value plus I sin n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3 cancel. So 2 power n cos n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3, 2 times of cos n pi by 3. So bases are equal, power should be added. 2 power n into 2, 2 power n plus 1 into cos of n pi by 3. So which is our required RHS, hence proved. We'll move to the next question, dear students. Next question number 29. It is related to, this question is belongs to quadratic equations and expression. So what is the question? Let a, b, c belongs to R and a is not equal to 0 such that ax square plus bx plus c has real roots alpha and beta such that alpha is less than beta. Then prove that ax square plus bx plus c and a have same sign when x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta. Yeah, actually in this two statements are there, but here in this question only one statement is given. Now we will discuss. Alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So whenever the roots of this quadratic equation, that is, we can express like this way: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. We can express this. So that a we can take into denominator of LHS. So ax square plus bx plus c divided by a is equal to x minus alpha into x minus beta. This result keep in mind. This is very important. This is a basic step. Now come to the question. In the question they are asking that x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta with the condition alpha is less than beta. So carefully observe, dear students. Here, if x is less than alpha, then as x is alpha is less than beta, this condition also we are using. Then as alpha is less than beta, so from these two conditions we can get, we will have the value, we will have x is less than alpha, obviously less than beta also. So x is less than alpha is less than beta, we have x minus alpha is less than 0 and x minus beta is less than 0. Sir, how you are writing directly? X is less than alpha means alpha we can take this side, x minus alpha is less than 0. X is less than beta, that means x minus beta is less than 0. So both the conditions we have here. I hope you people understand. So x minus alpha is less than 0, x minus beta is less than 0. That implies that the product of these x minus alpha into x minus beta is obviously greater than 0. Negative into negative. So x minus alpha is less than 0 means negative value. X minus beta is less than 0 means negative value. The minus into minus is what? Plus. So it is greater than 0. So x minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than 0 means this value is equal to ax square plus bx plus c only. No? Implies that ax square plus bx plus c by a is greater than 0. So whenever this fraction is greater than 0 means both ax square plus bx plus c and a having the same sign. Not only this case but also another case we need to take that x is greater than b and alpha is less than beta. See how we will take this in this another case. This is another case we are taking. In other side we have also and also x is greater than b, then as alpha is less than beta, that means beta is greater than alpha only. Alpha is less than beta or beta is greater than alpha. We will have x is greater than b and beta is greater than alpha. So from this x minus beta and x minus alpha, that implies that x minus beta is greater than 0 and x minus alpha is also greater than 0. The product of two things is greater than 0, no? So that implies that x minus beta into x minus alpha is greater than 0. Again, ax square plus bx plus c by a is greater than 0. In these two cases, when x is less than alpha and alpha is less than beta, and also x is greater than beta, beta is greater than alpha, both the cases the expression and a both are having the same sign. Therefore, conclusion step. Thus, for the values of x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta, a and the expression ax square plus bx plus c have the same sign. That's what they are asking to prove, no? Hence proved. We'll move to the next question, dear students. So next question number 30. Solve x power 4 minus 4x cube square plus 8x plus 35 equal to 0, given that 2 plus I root 3 is a root. So here, whenever a plus I root b is a root of the polynomial, a minus I root b is also a root of the polynomial. So conjugate pairs, conjugate surds, we can say that. So if 2 plus I root 3 is a root, then 2 minus I root 3 is also a root. So first, given equation f of x you can take here. Given f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x plus 35 equal to 0. Keep it as equation number 1. Given that 2 plus I root 3 is a root, if 2 plus I root 3 is a root of f of x is equal to 0, then 2 minus I root 3 is also a root, of f of x is equal to 0. So therefore, two roots are there. One root that is alpha equal to 2 plus I root 3 and beta is equal to 2 minus I root 3. Calculate sum and product. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus I root 3 plus 2 minus I root 3, that is equal to 4. Product of the roots alpha into beta, 2 plus I root 3 into 2 minus I root 3 is equal to 4 minus I root 3 whole square, I square into 3. So minus of minus 1 plus 4 plus 3, 7 will come. So the roots of the quadratic equation, whose roots are 2 plus I root 3, 2 minus I root 3 means what? The equation. Now, the quadratic factor corresponds to given equation f of x is equal to 0 is x minus alpha into x minus beta equal to 0. That implies that x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. That implies that x square minus x into alpha plus beta is 4 alpha plus beta is 7 equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. So that means for the equation x square minus 4x plus 7 equal to 0 is a factor, that is on dividing, actual division you can do on dividing x power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x plus 35 equal to 0 by quadratic factor by x square minus 4x plus 7 by using synthetic division, we have that. So first like this we have to draw that. In that x power 4 coefficient is 1, x power 3 coefficient is not there 0, x square coefficient is minus 4, x coefficient is 8 and constant is 35. Here what we have to do is, here x coefficient is minus 4. So x coefficient is minus 4 means here you have to divide with plus 4. So here particularly I will mention with a different pen, then easy to understand. Here minus 4 is there now, so that's why plus 4 we are doing, dividing. In the next step again we will do that synthetic division. Here plus 7 is there now, so minus 7. So here 0 anyway we will put, 1 plus 0 is 4. After that 4 into 4, 16. So otherwise if you feel it is difficult, what you can do is simultaneously we can do that. Yeah, now we will finish it. 4 into 4 is 16, adding these two, 16 4 is 64. Here it will be, if you add these two, 60 will come. 60 into 4, so 60 into 4 will become 240. So 248, again these two. So by quadratic factor it is not the correct way, sorry. Yeah, now in the quadratic factor like this we can, first here you can put 4, minus 4 is there means plus 4, here plus 7 is there means minus 7. First here you can put zeros both, add these 1 into 4 is 4, you can write here. I hope you understand that. Again I am writing. Next 1 into 4 is adding these two, 0 plus 4. 1 into minus 7 is here, it will come. 1 into 4 is 4, 0 plus 4 is again 1 into, here you can put 0, start with here 0. So adding these values 4 simultaneously. Suppose if you feel synthetic division is difficult, first I will do it synthetic division. If you are not, that also I will do it easily, understand. So 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. Next here 1 into minus 7, here minus 7. Second step. Next 4, if you add all these, what you will get? Minus 11 plus 16, that plus 5 will come. 5 into 4, 20. Next 4 into minus 7, minus 28. If you add all, 0 will come here. Even in the next step itself, 0 into 4, 0. 5 into minus 7, minus 35. If you add these two, gain 0. So 4 and minus 7, these are the already factors. So x square, this is x quadratic term, this is linear term, this is constant term. So we can write it as x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. So for these factors, we can write it as x is equal to minus b plus or minus. So minus 4 plus or minus root over b square 16 minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 5 by 2a, 2 into 1. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 20 is minus 4. Minus means I square. 4 you can take outside. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus I into 2 by 2. Take LCM. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus or minus I by 2. 2 get cancelled. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus I. So these are the factors. One is minus 2 plus I. Another one is x is equal to minus 2 minus I. These are the factors. So already we got the factors, that is x square minus 4x plus 7. So that for that roots are given as 2 plus I root 3, 2 minus I root 3, and these are all. Therefore the roots of the, before that, suppose if you don't want this method, dear students, what you will do is, or that x power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x plus 35 is there, no? For this actual division also we can do by x square minus 4x plus 7. X square minus 4x plus 7. So how many times is going to divide? X square times x power 4. X square into minus 4x cube. X square into 7, 7x square. So while subtracting, sign change, minus plus minus. So plus 4x cube. Minus 4x square plus 7, minus 7x square, minus 11x square, plus 8x, plus 35. No, here no 35. So 8x down. So here x cube is there now. So we will multiplying with plus 4x. So 4x into x square, 4x cube. 4x into minus 4x, minus 16x square. 4x into 7 plus 28x. So while subtracting, sign change, these two will be cancelled. 16 minus 11 is 5, 5x square minus 20x. Here plus 35 take down. So how many times? Plus 5 times. 5 into x square, 5x square minus 5 into 20x, 5 into 7, 35. So while subtracting, all sign change. So the f of x value we can express as the product of these two values. So therefore x power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x plus 35 can be written as x square minus 4x plus 7 into x square plus 4x plus 5. So already for this roots are 2 minus root I root 3, 2 plus I root 3. For this we need to calculate. So we already calculated the roots here. Minus 2 plus I, minus 2 minus I. This is the way also we can go, dear students. Or I mentioned, that is your wish, by taking synthetic division by quadratic equation, or like this. Therefore ultimately I am writing here the roots of two methods I introduced here, whichever the easy for you that you can do. The roots of the given equation f of x equal to 0 or 2 plus or minus I root 3 and minus 2 plus or minus I. So these are the roots. We'll move to the next question. The next question, number 31. Find the polynomial equation whose roots are the translations of the roots of equation x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x squared minus 17x plus 11 equal to 0 by minus 2. So we need to do this type of question. This is one of the important type questions. So first, what we have to write, the given equation, it is represented as f of x, given polynomial equation. First thing, given polynomial equation, f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 17x plus 11 equal to 0. Put that as equation number 1. Next, f of x equal to 0 now. Here the equation whose roots are translates the equation whose roots are the translates of the roots of f of x equal to 0 by minus 2 is, so whenever it is minus 2, f of x plus 2 equal to 0. Here the formula h is equal to here minus 2, f of minus x minus h, x minus of minus, f of x plus h. So f of x plus 2 equal to 0 means in place of x substitute x plus 2 and simplify, you will get the answer. But it will take time, x plus 2 whole power 4, x plus 2 whole power 3, we need to expand, no? So for that one procedure will be there. That procedure we will do by like a diminution method. Diminution method, we will do this by first considering like synthetic division only. First x power 4 coefficient here, next x power 3 coefficient, next x squared coefficient, next x coefficient, after that constant. Here x minus dividing by minus 2 translates by minus 2, it is there now. So whenever it is minus 2, here you can take as 2. Like synthetic division, we have to do that. 0, adding these two, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, adding minus 5 plus 2, that is minus 3, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, so minus 17 plus 2 is minus 15, minus 15 into 2. So minus 15 into 2 is minus 30. So adding minus 30 and plus 11, that is equal to 19. That also minus. This we can take as here fourth equation, no, biquadratic equation. So it will take as A4. Dear students, you remember. So next, again by synthetic division, again by 2. 0, 1, 1 into 2, minus 1, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. So minus 17. This is equal to A3. Like this till A0 we will do that. Again by synthetic division, 0 here, 1 plus 0, 1, 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is again plus 1. So this value is A2. again by doing synthetic division. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, 3, adding this 3 value is equal to a1 again, but for this we can do that by synthetic division, adding here put 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 2, so here not there means last one only it will balance, that is a naught we can write. Whatever we wrote that f of x plus 2 equal to 0 as that x plus 2, we can write it as so a naught x power 4 plus a1 x power 3, like this way it will go, a2 x power 2, a3 x plus a4 is equal to 0. This is the way we can write it. That is, a naught means what? 1. 1 into x power 4. A cube, a1 value is 3. So plus 3x cube. A2 value is 1. 1 into x square. A3 value is minus 17. So minus 17 into x. A4 value is minus 19. So minus 19 equal to 0. I hope you people understand this, students. We'll move on to the next question, that is prison. So next, if the letters of the word prison are permuted in all possible ways and the words thus formed or arranged in dictionary order, then find the rank of the word. So first given word you have to write it. For that dictionary order also we can write. This is the given word. And a dictionary order also. So what is the word here? Prison. The order in the dictionary, that is first I will come, after that N, after that O, after that P, after that R, after that S. Now we will do the procedure. So how we will move that? First, in the given word, P is in the first place. In the dictionary order, it is there in the fourth place. So the number of words which are begin with I, the number of words which are begin with N, the number of words which are begin with O, first you have to write it with this. After that P we can fix there. Again the number of words which are begin with PI, PN, PO till the number will come PR. So first we will write it. The number of words, here NO like this hyphen is given means number of, not no. The number of words begin with I. So I start means remaining 5 places are there. It can be done in 5 factorial ways. So similarly, the number of words which are begin with N, the number of words which are begin with, I am not writing complete statement, number of words begin with N now. So N, if you start with N, the remaining 5 places are there, no? That can be done in 5 factorial ways, 5p5 ways. Next, the number of ways, the number of words begin with O. So these 5 places can be done in 5 factorial ways. After that, the number of words which are begin with P, you can fix it. and again start with pi, pn, po. Next, the number of words begin with pi. So pi, if you fix, is remaining 4 letters are there, n, o or s. These 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Next, the number of words begin with pn. Again, it is in 4 factorial ways. Pn, other than Pn, remaining I, O or S, it can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Next, the number of words begin with PO. So the rest of the 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Next, it will be in the order PR only, no? So PR is already there in the word. So PR, again you can come to the first PRI. Even PRI is also there in the word, given word. So the word which are begin with PRN, PRIN, PRI fix, PRIN. The number of words begin with PRIN. So PRIN means till you have to write PRIS. Till you have to write. So the PRIN means the remaining 2 places only, no? Not 3 places. The 2 places can be done in 2 factorial ways. Next, the number of words begin with PRIO. So this can be done in 2 ways, and the number of ways or the number of words begin with PRIO is already over, no? So PRIS is there already. If you start with again PRISN, PRISN will be there. So begin with PRISN. It only one letter is pending, so that one letter can be arranged in 1 factorial ways. So PRISN, PRISN. Next, PRSIO. PRSIO is there. Next word is prison only, no? So the number of words begin with prison. So it can be done in 0 factorial ways. No letters are all letters fulfilled, no? So 0 factorial. So therefore, this is the required word that is present. Therefore, the rank of the word is equal to 5 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 5 factorial. That means 3 into 5 factorial plus how many 4 factorials are there? 3 times of 4 factorial plus 2 times of 2 factorial plus 1 factorial plus 0 factorial. So which is equal to 3 times of 5 factorial means 120 plus 3 into 4 factorial means 24 plus 2 into 2 factorial means 2 plus 1 factorial means 1, 0 factorial means 1. So 120 into 3, so 360 plus 24 into 3, 72, 2 into 2, 4, plus 1 plus 1. So 360 plus 72. 432 plus 8. So not 6. So which is equal to 438. Therefore the rank of the quad prism is 438. By practicing it will be easy, dear students. Number of problems are there, master, remaster, like this you can prepare and practice. And one complete video based on ranks. First I have taken 2 letter, 3 letter word, 4 letter word, 5 letter word, like this I explained with shortcuts, one exclusive video you can see in my playlist, dear students. We'll move to the next question, number 33. Yeah, the next question. Find numerically greatest terms in the expansion 3x minus 4y whole power 14 when x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 3. So first in this solution, question number 33, given expansion you have to write, and that expansion you have to write in terms of 1 minus x whole power n. So given expansion, (3x minus 4y whole power 14). So I already said that 3x I am taking common here. 1 minus 4y by 3x whole power 14. So this can be written as 3x whole power 14. That means 3 power 14 into x power 14. 1 minus 4y by 3x whole power 14. Now which is equal to 3 power 14 into x power 14 into 1 minus capital X whole power 14, where that capital X is equal to 4y divided by 3x. This is the way you can write the first thing. So that x value, capital X value, how to calculate? So given, since the values of x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 3, small values, so substitute here 4 into 3 by 3 into 8. So 3 get cancelled, 4 1s are 4 2s are. So capital X is equal to 1 by 2 only, no? So in place of capital X 1 by 2 we will write in the coming steps, and the power n is equal to, and the whole power n is equal to 14. First you need to calculate the expansion clearly. So therefore 3x minus 4y whole power 14 can be written as 3 power 14, that x value, small x value is what? 8. 8 power 14 into 1 minus capital X. Don't write the capital X, like this only can leave it, whole power 14. So this expansion is equal to this one. So for this we need to calculate the greatest numerically term. So for that we need to calculate the value of m. So what is m here? Consider the value m. This m is equal to small n plus 1 into capital X, mod capital X by capital X plus 1 value. Based on this value of m, we decide that whether this expansion contains two numerically greatest terms or more than one greatest term. We will observe that. See here, the calculation is going on here. N is equal to 14. So 14 plus 1 into mod x is 1 by 2 by mod x is plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So anyway mod means we can consider anyway positive. So 15 into 1 by 2 is 15 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. 15 by 3, which is equal to 5. So m value we got it as integer. So therefore m is equal to 5 is an integer. So whenever integer we got it, so tm and tm plus 1 are numerically greatest terms, NGTs. Suppose if it is not an integer, only tm plus 1 is the numerically greatest terms. Now we will calculate tm and tm plus 1. So tm, that is equal to case 1 t5 equal to t5 can be written as t4 plus 1 only. No, it is in the form of tr plus 1. So we know that how to write NCR plus 1. So here the expansion is, we already wrote that 3x minus 4y whole power 14. T4 plus 1. For this, this constant also included, dear students, whenever you are writing. So before only you write that 3 power 14 into 8 power 14. Now the rest of the situation we can write NCR. N is equal to 14. R is equal to this one in this case. So NCR means 14C4 1 power n minus r, that means 14 minus 4, and x, here x means capital X, whole power r value is 4, into this expansion is minus x na, so minus 1 whole power r means what, 4. I hope you people understand, which is equal to 3 power 14 into 8 power 14, 14C14 so 1 power anything is 1 only. X value, capital X is equal to what? 1 by 2. We already wrote that. 1 by 2 whole power 4. Minus 1 whole power 4 is also plus 4 only will come. Now simplification. You can leave it like this. Why? Because we cannot 3 into here first 14C4 we can write it. 3 power 14 into 8 power 14. 3 into 8 24. 24 power 14 into 1 by 2 whole power 4 means by 2 power 4. You cannot simplify. Why? Because big values will come now. We can leave it. Next tm plus 1, second case. Tm plus 1. So that is equal to t5 plus 1. So it is r is equal to 5 in this case. So 3 power 14 into 88 power 14 is common. Here r is equal to 5, even odd number. 14C5, 1 power 14 minus 5 into capital X whole power 5 minus 1 whole power 5. So minus 1 whole power 5 is minus. Directly first I am writing 3 into 8, 24 whole power 14 into 14C5, 1 power anything is 1 only, into 1 by 2 whole power 5. So which is equal to 14C5 minus 14C5, 24 power 14 by 2 power 5. So which two are numerically greatest terms? I hope you people understand, dear students. This is the way we can do that. If it is integer, tm and tm plus 1 are numerically greatest terms. If it is not an integer, only tm plus 1 is the numerically greatest terms. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. Question number 34. In a box containing 15 bulbs, 5 are defective. If 5 bulbs are selected at random from the box, then find the probability of the event that none of them is defective only one of them is defective, at least one of them is defective. So here total 3 questions are there. One by one we will do it, dear students. So question number 34 solution. So total how many bulbs are there? 15 bulbs are there. Out of 15 bulbs, 5 are defective. 5 are defective. So therefore the good bulbs, non-defective or good bulbs. So 10 bulbs are good bulbs or non-defective bulbs. So from 10, number of ways of selecting, the number of ways of selecting 5 bulbs out of 15 is total number of it is n of s. So from 15 we can select 5 in 15C 5 ways. These are the total number of this. Now come to the question number 1, Roman letter 1 it is. None of the bulbs is defective. The question is none of the bulbs or none of them is defective. Simply none of them is defective. So how many defective bulbs are there? 5. How many good bulbs are there? 10. So for none of the bulbs to be defective, all the 5 bulbs must be selected from 10 good bulbs. So none of them is defective here. None of them is defective. So none of them is defective means non-defective values we can take. So out of 10 non-defective bulbs, out of 10 non-defective bulbs, we can select 5 bulbs in 10C 5 ways. So this event, if you are assuming that as A, this is P of n of A will come. So n of A is equal to A be the event of selecting the non-defective bulbs. None of them is defective means no bulb is defective. So non-defective. So n of A is equal to 10C5. So the probability they are asking. Therefore, the probability of the bulb, none of them is defective. P of A is equal to n of A by n of S. So n of A is equal to 10C5 by n of S is 15C5, which is equal to 10C5, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So 5, 1 into 2 into 3 into 5, that here 5 cancel. Here 15C5, here also by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we can write. Anyway in the denominator also it will come, no? So we can cancel it like this way. 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11. So if you simplify here, 5 3s are 5 2s are 6 into 2 12. So 3 into 3 cancel. Next, 2 4s are 2 7s are. So here 7 7 cancel. So 3 into 4 is 12 by 11 into 13 is 143. So therefore P of A is equal to 12 by 143. So first question is over. Next, in this second question, only one of them is defective. So second one, only one of them is defective. Only one of them is defective means how many defective bulbs are there? 5 defective bulbs are there. So total only one of them is defective, but we have to select 5 bulbs now. So out of 5 defective bulbs, one can be selecting in 5C1 ways, and the remaining 4 from 10 non-defective bulbs. In 10C4 ways. Therefore, this is B if you assume that n of B is equal to 5C1 into 10C4. So 5C1 means 5, 10C4 means 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 4 3s are 12, 4 into 2, 8, we can cancel it. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So if you multiply these 21 into 5, so 105 into 10 is 1050. This is about n of B. So therefore P of B, the probability of only one of them is defective is P of B is equal to n of B by n of S. These questions which are there in our channel, probability, in that exercise 9B, it is there. Go to the playlist and watch, dear students. And board I explained clearly, those who want. So n of B is 1050 divided by 15C5, which is equal to 1050 into, here not here, 15C5 means 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 by 1 2 3 4 5, denominator of denominator, numerator, no? So 1 2 3 4 5. So here 3 into 4, 15 cancel. Next 4 3s are, so 2 7s are. So we have the values Even here 1050 is there now, so it will be divisible by 3. Is it? So 3 ones, 3 threes, 3 fives, so 3 times of 350. So 7 table, 7 ones are 750s. So in the numerator 50 divided by, in the denominator 13 into 11, 143. So therefore P of B is equal to, so next last one, the third one, Roman letter 3 in this question. The probability of at least one of them is defective. At least one of them is defective. So at least one of them is defective means the probability of at least one of them is defective is equal to 1 minus probability of none of them is defective. None of them is defective. Logically, you think, dear students. So 1 minus probability of none of them is defective, we did know here. None of them is defective. 12 by 143 only now. So directly we can write that 12 by 143. So which is equal to, LCM is 143. 143 minus 12, which is equal to 131 by 143. None of them is defective means from the first result. We have 12 by 143. I hope you people understand, these students. Once you go through that slowly, only thing is you need to understand the question and thoroughly into it. We'll move to the question number the next question number 35. If A, B, C are 3 independent events of a random experiment such that P of A intersection B complement intersection C complement equal to 1 by 4, P of A complement intersection B intersection C complement equal to 1 by 8, P of A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement equal to 1 by 4. Then find P of A, P of B and P of C. So it's a very easy and important question, dear students. Given that A, B, C are independent events whenever A, B, C are independent events, A, B, C are independent, then A complement, like this we can write now, A complement, B complement, C complement are also independent events. So now independent definition, we know that if A, B are said to be independent events, we can express as the probability of P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Like this way, given that A, B, C are independent events, what values are there? One by one we will write it. P of A intersection B complement intersection C complement is equal to 1 by 4. We can write it as, whenever they are independent events, P of A intersection B complement intersection C complement can be written as P of A into P of B complement into P of C complement. is equal to 1 by 4. Keep that equation number 1. Next, P of A complement intersection B intersection C complement is equal to 1 by 8. That implies that P of A complement into P of B into P of C complement is equal to 1 by 8. Next, P of A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement is equal to 1 by 4. That implies that. So P of A complement intersect into P of B complement into P of C complement is equal to 1 by 4. Equation number 3. So logically, if you go, dear students, step by step, generally what I will do is in this after writing of these steps, equation 1 by equation 3. LHS side, RHS side, you can write it. P of A into P of B complement into P of C complement by P of A complement into P of B complement into P of C complement is equal to 1 by 4 by 1 by 4. So here P of C complement, P of C complement, P of B complement, P of B complement cancel. So P of A divided by P of A complement is equal to 1. That implies that P of A is equal to P of A complement. We know that P of A complement can be written as 1 minus P of A. So minus P of A we can take this side. So P of A plus P of A is equal to 1. So 2 times of P of A is equal to 1. So P of A is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the way we can. Similarly, equation 2 by equation 3. Equation 2 by equation 3 will do it. Equation 2 means P of A complement, okay. So P of A complement into P of B into P of C complement by P of A complement into P of B complement into P of C complement is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 8 by 1 by 4. So 4 1s are 4 2s are, ultimately 1 by 2 will come. P of C bar, P of C bar, P of A bar, P of A bar cancel. Here we will get P of B. P of B by P of B complement is equal to 1 by 2. So cross multiplying 2 times of P of B is equal to P of B complement. So 2 times of P of B is equal to 1 minus P of B. So minus P of B we can take this side. 2 P of B plus P of B is equal to 1. 3 times of P of B is equal to 1. So P of B is equal to 1 by 3. So P of A value we got it. P of B also we got it. Next, in the these values, P of A, P of B, these values substitute in P of, in either 1 or 2 or 3, any one of them we can take. Better to take as the first one. So P of B is 1 by 3, obviously P of B complement 1 minus P of B only, no? So 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. So this is P of B complement. So equation 1 implies that in equation 1 what values are there? P of A into P of B complement into P of C complement is equal to 1 by 4. So P of A value we got it as 1 by 2. P of B complement we got it back. Complement means here dot. Both are same only. So P of B complement is 2 by 3. P of C complement is equal to 1 by 4. So here 2 get cancelled. 3 we can take here. P of C complement is equal to 3 by 4. That implies that 1 minus P of C is equal to 3 by 4. So 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to P of C. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 by 4 is equal to P of C. So therefore the required probabilities, therefore the values of P of A is equal to 1 by 2, P of B is equal to 1 by 3, and P of C is equal to 1 by 4. They are asking to find these values only. We got it here, students. So once again, just scroll up the question. Next, the question number 36. See the next question. Let x be a random variable such that P of x is equal to minus 2, that is equal to P of x is equal to minus 1, that is equal to P of x is equal to 2, that is equal to P of x is equal to 1, and which are all equal to 1 by 6, and P of x is equal to 0 is 1 by 3. This is the information is given. According to that, we can draw the table. It will be very easy for us. So here P of capital X is equal to R. Here probability of X is equal to R. So minus 2 minus 1 2 1 0 is there, so total 5. So here P of x is equal to x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. So probability of x is equal to minus 2, how much it is? 1 by 6. Probability of x is equal to minus 1, that also 1 by 6. Probability of x is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 0 is 1 by 3 here. Probability x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is also 1 by 6. 2 is also 1 by 6. I hope you understand how to write this table. They are asking to calculate mean value, the mean of the random variable. So mean formula, mean is equal to, it is denoted by mu, and the definition for this is sigma. Here minus 2 to 2 plus 2. So R is equal to minus 2 to plus 2. X is equal to xi into P of x is equal to x, or P of x is equal to R. Xi means this value R only, that is R into. So we will do that as minus 2 into 1 by 6 plus minus 1 into 1 by 6 plus 0 into 1 by 3 plus 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6. So which is equal to minus 2 by 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 0 plus 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. So plus 2 by 6 minus 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 minus 2 by 0. So all values 0. Therefore, the mean value goes to be 0. Next, variance. Variance of the variance. Sigma square. So sigma r is equal to minus 2 to 2. Here xi square, that means r square, into p of x is equal to r minus mu square, which is equal to, so minus 2 whole square into 1 by 6 minus 1 whole square into 1 by 6 plus 0 square into 1 by 3 plus 1 square into 1 by 6 plus 2 square into 1 by 6. So 4 into 1 by 6 is 4 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 0 plus 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6. So after taking LCM 6 here, 4 plus 4 plus 2, 8, so total 10. 10 by 6. 10 by 6 means 5 by 3. So therefore sigma square or variance is equal to 5 by 3. I hope you people understand this, students. According to this, we can do. We'll move on to the last question in this session and in the question paper itself. The next question: if the difference between the mean and variance of a binomial variate is 5 by 9, then find the probability for the event of 2 successes when the experiment is conducted 5 times. So given that the experiment conducted 5 times, so the number of times conducted the experiment is, so n is equal to number of times conducted the experiment. N is equal to 5. Next, let P be the parameter of binomial distribution, even Q also. Let P comma Q are parameters of binomial distribution. So that means it follows binomial distribution. Like this we can write now. Binomial follows n comma p. It follows. Where, and we know that p plus q is always equal to 1 also. Given that, it is the first 2 steps, important steps. Given that the difference of mean and variance, mean is denoted by mu, variance is denoted by sigma square, is equal to 5 by 9. Mean and variance. Mean of the random binomial variate is what? NP. Sigma square is the variance, it is NPQ, is equal to 5 by 9. From these two take common NP, so 1 minus Q is equal to 5 by 9. Since we have P plus Q is equal to 1, so P is equal to 1 minus Q. In place of 1 minus Q, we write it as P, so N P into P is equal to 5 by 9. Since the value of the experiment was conducted 5 times, n is equal to 5. So 5p square is equal to 5 by 9. 5 get cancelled. P square is equal to 1 by 9. That implies that P is equal to 1 by 3. So P value we got it, and n is equal to 5. So Q value also we can get it. So therefore Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3. So Q is equal to 2 by 3. P value we got it, Q value also we got it. After that they are asking to calculate, find the probability for the event 2 success here. For the event 2 success. So how to write? So the probability of 2 success means we can write like this one. P of x is equal to 2. Write in the matter means the probability of the event, of the event of 2 successes is P of x is equal to 2. P of x is equal to 2. This is the question mark. We have P of x is equal to R in the binomial distribution formula. NCR P power n minus R Q power R. So they are asking here P of x is equal to 2. N value we know that, P value also we know that, and R value also we know that R is equal to 2. So 5C2 P value is 1 by 3 whole power 5 minus 2 into Q value 2 by 3 into R value is 2. So 5C2 means 10. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. 1 by 3 whole power 3. So here students, I forgot. So dear students, here P power R Q power n minus R. Sorry. So based on that it will change. So P value is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. R value is 2. Even here also. So here 2 by 3 whole power n minus R. N means 5 minus 2. So 2 by 3 whole power 3. So it will become as 10. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 1 by 3 square means 1 by 9. 2 by 3 whole cube means 8 by 27. So which is equal to 8 into 10 is 80 by 9 sevens are 63. So 9 into 2, 18 into 6, 24. So 243. So therefore the probability of the event 2 successes is 80 by 243. NCR is equal to P power R Q power n minus R. Yeah, you people understand these students? Once again I'll revise. Thank you dear students. All the best from our channel. Thank you all.